Right behind me is actually one of our most recent acquisitions. It is 3 10-bed residential assisted living facilities that all sit on a 3-acre lot right next to each other. And if this is something that you want to learn to do on your own or start on your own, make sure to actually go and check out Legion Assisted Living Academy, where I teach how to start your own facility from A to Z. And I look forward to seeing you in there. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm actually going to give you guys a tour of the brand new acquisition we just had. It's a 30-bed facility that we acquired here in Tucson, so if you're interested, make sure to stick around. Last year, we had submitted an offer on this exact property at $3.1 million. It was originally listed for $3.25 million. They rejected our offer, so we went ahead, we stepped away. Almost a year went by, and we got told that they would be willing to let go of the property at $2.4 million, which is what we ended up offering them and getting it under contract for. With all the concessions that we were able to get with the repairs, we ended up with a total purchase price of $2.347 million. And so that's what we actually ended up acquiring this property for. The concessions that we actually had were repair concessions that totaled up to just under $38,000, and we also leased back to the previous operator that was here for a month, which that was for $15,000, and that allowed them to actually take the items that they needed out of the building. Let's go ahead and actually show you guys around and show the buildings here at the Oasis. Welcome to the first house on this property, and this one is the original house that was built here. And the nice thing about it is that it's actually outfitted for residents and clients that have memory care issues that has to do with Alzheimer's, dementia, etc. So that's the nice thing. It's very secure in this specific house. And behind me, you can see it's actually the dining room table. It's very large with staff desk there to oversee everything. And then what I like is these beam ceilings and this large living room where all the residents would actually come and hang out. Down this hallway, I will show you guys the bedrooms and bathrooms that are in this specific home. As we go down the hallway, one thing I like to point out is how wide these hallways are. They actually measure out to 42 inches in width, which is really nice for wheelchairs to be able to go down the hallway. To my left here, your right, we have the laundry room, and then we got bedroom number 1 here first, and then we also have the first full bathroom that is ADA accessible here to my right, your left. And as we go down the hallway, I'll show you guys the second bedroom here. The nice thing is there's these handrails that go down, which is really nice, but we got the second bedroom here. And then as we go down the hallway further, bedroom number 3 here. And as we go even further down, we have bedroom number 4 and 5. And then we have bedroom number 6 here. And then we have our second full ADA accessible bathroom here with the walk-in shower, all the handicap bars to my right, your left. And then we finish off with bedroom number 7 here to my left, your right, which looks really nice. As we exit the first main house here through the back, the nice thing about these properties, each main house or each house has a separate guest house that is attached to the main house, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the guest house. Now, this is actually the guest house, and like I mentioned, each of the houses actually has its own attached guest house. We actually have a full laundry, so washer, dryer here. We have a sofa here. This can actually just be the living room, and then we actually have a full kitchen here, which is actually really nice, and this could either be utilized for someone willing to pay the higher rate or even for live-in staff if that's what you choose to do. And then because we also have a full bathroom that is ADA accessible along with a whole separate bedroom, and so that actually consists of the guest house. Now let's go ahead and go into the second house on this property. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we're heading into the actual second house of the property. This house was built in 2008. It is just under 4,000 square feet. It actually consists of 9 bedroom. It also has its own attached guest house. So let's go ahead and go inside. As we actually walk into the second home, we have the living room right behind me. This is where all the residents would hang out. We have the dining room table, which actually leads out to the patio, which is really nice. And we have the full kitchen. And like I said, the guest house is attached to each of these houses that has a full kitchen. We have actually the office space here to my left, your right. As we actually walk down the first part of this house, the first wing, we have the laundry room to our right here. to your left. And as we're walking into this first bedroom here, all the bedrooms in this house, in the second house, actually have access to a half bath. And I'll show you what I mean. We're walking into the first half bath here, and we're gonna go into another bedroom from this half bath. And so that's really nice because you can actually lock this door on either side while someone is using that bathroom. And I'll show you that we actually have 4 bedrooms on this side of the house that actually share this full ADA accessible bathroom right here. So this wing has its own full bathroom while all the bedrooms share a half bath. Now here we are going down the second wing of this house, and it actually consists of 5 bedrooms. And again, they all have access to a half bath. So let's go ahead and go to the third house of this property. Now here we are on the third home of the property, and I'm not gonna actually give a full tour video of this property just because it actually mimics the second one that we just did a full walkthrough on. So with that being said, if you guys actually enjoyed this video and the full tour video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to actually go check out Legion Assisted Living Academy in the links down below. Also, if you want to book a one-on-one mentorship call to be able to learn how to start your own residential assisted living or behavioral or transitional housing, make sure to book a call. And with that being said, make sure to check out Valley ALF Ventures as well. And I will talk to you all in the next video. God bless.